Perth Truck Show. Me and Paul, we're just having a sticky beak. These are your, ooh, that's what I call a trailer. Good stuff. Ooh, this is lovely. I really enjoy this. And, yeah, it's really good gear here. Brilliant stuff.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. That's correct. Don't do that, Shadow. Otherwise it won't work.
Yeah, just showing a display of this trailer, what they do for Rio Tinto, Brockman 4.
Yeah.
It's not a bad setup. Yeah, until they get covered in about half a millimetre of red dust, then you never get the bastards out. Welcome to the Pilbara, we know all about it. More from the truck show. Just going to have a sticky beak at what we got here. This is something you'd be into, mate.
Yeah, nah, it's good. I've seen more. I know what they're like.
Nice rig though. Very nice. We're just looking around at the Perth Truck Show. All the truck. Whoa. That's a road train trailer. Out there. It's not. It's quite a display that they've got here. Oh God, who let them out of Port Hedland?
They're not. These guys are actually building for them. Patience. See all these trailers, yeah.
No, but I said who let Patience out of Port Hedland?
But that's what I'm just saying. These guys build trailers for Patience.
Yeah, I know. But of all the truck companies to have on display in Perth, I put Patience on the side of a. Oh, there's something more my speed, mate.
Huh?
Here's something more my speed. Something I'm used to running around down the BHP main line. Yeah. Now that was the one. That was the one we had for Panas, but. Oh, yep. All the displays down here. Paul looking at all his favourite two-way radios.
Yeah.
His toys.
That's not too bad.
So we'll bring some more from the truck show as we progress.